Hello everyone, let's dive into the LXun upgraded L07305-002 310W power supply. This unit is designed as a compatible replacement for several HP models, including the G3, G4 280, 288, 480, 600, and 880 series, as well as the HP Z2G for SFF workstation. If you're dealing with a failing power supply, or simply need more juice for upgrades, this could be a solid option. The LXun L07305-002 directly replaces several HP part numbers, such as D16-250P2A and D16-180P1B, offering a wattage bump in some cases. It also steps in for PCH023, PCG002, PCG003, PCG004, 901762-004, DPS 185AB, 25A, DPS 180AB, 25A power supplies. Compatibility is key here, so double-checking those numbers against your existing unit is crucial. This power supply features the necessary connectors for the listed HP systems, a 7-pin inline connector, and two 4-pin 12E connectors. LXun provides the lengths of the wires, which is helpful for ensuring everything reaches properly within the case. The power input is standard, supporting 100-240V at 50 to 60 Hz, and it delivers plus 12.1 VMAIN at 16A, reaching a max 310W output. LXun offers a 1-year warranty, providing some peace of mind. However, they stress the importance of visually matching the power supply to the product photos before purchasing. Even if your computer model is on the compatibility list, a visual confirmation is highly recommended to avoid any issues.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.